Hello and welcome back you with the new lessons in this online classes. Dear students, today we are going to start a very important topic, voice, which is very helpful to improve speaking and writing skills. Dear students, first of all, we will discuss about the voice. Dear student, voice is the form a verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. Dear student, there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Okay, first I would like to define what is active voice. Active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such sentences. The sentences are said to be in the active voice. Okay, what do you mean by passive voice? In passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip flop. It means the subject becomes the passive recipient of the action because the subject is being acted upon or is passive. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice. Dear students, through these diagrams, we are turning active and passive voice. Voice active, what subject does? Passive means the focus is on the action. Active, suppose example, Ram killed Ravan. Passive, Ravan was killed by Ram. How to change from active to passive? Look at the statement, Ram killed Ravan. Here Ram is subject, verb is killed. Ravan is object. Ravan was killed by Ram. That is called the passive voice. Dear student, there are many other examples. She helps him. He is helped by her. I am buying a pen. A pen is being bought by me. In active voice, subject plus verb plus object. In passive voice, object plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. For example, someone is following us. We are being followed. Dear students, here we are going to discuss very common rules related to the active to passive. Bring the object first. While you are going to change active into passive, bring the object first. Select correct be verb. Change verb into participles. Add by plus subject. Look how subject and object change. Subject or object. I change into me. We change into us. You change into you. They change into them. He changes into him. She changes into her. Ram changes into Ram. Book changes into book. If there are two objects in a sentence, means in active voice. She told us a story. This sentence will be changed into two ways. We were told a story by her. A story was told to us by her. They appointed him an ambassador. He was appointed an ambassador. Dear students, first of all in passive voice, subject plus has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were plus to plus first form. Suppose sentences are going to express the compulsions or determination. In such sentences, how we change active into passive voice. She has to help us. So how will you change this? By using be. We have to be helped by her. We have to learn English. English has to be learned. I had to wait the bus. The bus had to be waited by me. Dear student, there are many modal actually verbs. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, could, must, etc. So with this modal verb in active voice, subject plus modal verb plus first form of the verb plus object plus complement in active voice. If you are just going to change these sentences into passive voice, then we have to use subject plus modal verb plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. For example, she can speak Chinese. Chinese can be spoken by her. We must preserve the tigers. Tigers must be preserved. Dear students, there are some other modal verb with have, must have, should have, could have, might have, would have, all followed third form of the verb. When we are going to change them into passive voice, then subject plus must have, should have, could have, might have, would have, plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. In this manner, we have to change active into passive voice. For example, he should have stolen my pen. So, dear students, how will you change this sentence into passive voice? My pen should have been stolen by him. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. Dear student, no need to add by plus subject if the subject is we, they, someone, somebody, none, nobody, everybody, people, etc. No need to add them by subject. For example, they have stolen my pen. My pen has been stolen. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. They have not stolen my pen. My pen has not been stolen. They must not have left any sign. Any sign must not have been left. Nobody has done homework. Homework has not been done. Dear students, you should look at the tables. There are given some examples and rules related to the tenses. In simple tense, you know that they used the first form of the verb or s or es. In such conditions, what should be done? When such conditions is coming in present simple tense, then we have to use object plus ismr plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. If sentence is in present continuous, you know in present continuous in active voice, subject plus ismr plus first form with ing plus object plus complement. When we are going to change it tense into passive voice, object plus ismr plus being plus third form plus by plus object. When we are going to change present perfect tense, in present perfect, subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb. In passive voice, object plus has or have plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. So, dear student, there is no change in present perfect, has plus have plus been plus ing form in present perfect continuous tense. No used commonly. She is cooking rice. Rice is being cooked by her. Suppose you are just making a sentence. So, dear student, in another table, you are just going to know about the simple past. Second form of the verb is used in positive sentence, and did not plus first form of the verb is used in negative and interrogative sentence. When we are going to change this tense into passive voice, then object plus was verb plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Dear student, in the same manner, when you are going to change past continuous tense, was verb plus first form with ing plus object plus complement, then we have to change it into passive voice. So, object plus was verb plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. How will you change past perfect tense? In past perfect, if you talk about the active voice, subject plus had plus third form of the verb. If you talk about the passive voice of this, object plus had plus been plus third form plus by plus object. Dear student, past perfect continuous tense is not followed for making the passive voice. In next table, you are just going to know about the simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect, continuous. Dear student, in present continuous, there is no chances to prepare the passive voice. In future perfect continuous, there is no chance to prepare the passive voice. But in present future simple tense and future perfect tense, in both tenses, we have to prepare the passive voice. So, for example, she will write a beautiful poem. Beautiful poem will be written by her. Next, look at these examples. She will write poems beautifully. Poems will be beautifully written by her. Beautifully adverb go just before verb. You must understand this. He handled the load carefully. The load was carefully handled by him. Dear students, if sentences are related to yes or no, can you speak English? Can English be spoken by you? Has he helped them? Have they been helped by him? Did you help him? Was he helped by you? What happens in yes or no type sentences, do in place of do or does, while we are just going to change sentence into passive voice, EMR plus object plus third form plus by plus object. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted? Did they tell anything? Was anything told by them? You can use or no need to use. I have already spoken about this. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted? You know, in place of did, in place of do, we have to use the verb according to the tenses. Dear student, now we are going to start the discussion about the WH family sentences with the who, WH who. Who questions are changed into two ways. First, with example, who opened the door? Whom was the door opened by? By whom was the door opened? Who opened the door? Whom was the door opened by? By whom was the door opened? You know the formula is being written here. Dear student, now we are going to start the imperative sentences. Open the gate. Let the door be opened or let the gate be opened. Next, let him open the door. Let the door be opened by him. Let plus object plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. So, did you teach us? Were you taught by us? In this manner, students, we are knowing about the how to change active into passive voice. I hope that you all may be able to understand it through these examples and the important rules. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you will. If you have any confusion, you can send your confusion in my comment box. Thanks. Have a nice day.